Here's how you can find your dream client in a couple of minutes. I'll walk you through it in three easy, simple steps. First step is which platform is your ideal client on. Obviously, if you don't know who your ideal client is, that's step zero. But if you do, for example, if I'm a marketing agency and I'm going after roofers and I'm helping them find more leads and close more roofing deals, then I know that I'm looking for where roofers hang out. Maybe they hang out on Facebook, which is a good angle because generally roofers are older. So the demographic on Facebook is, 30 plus, 40, 50, 60, 70 in that range. If you're looking at professionals and high level net worth individuals, that's usually like LinkedIn. Roofers can still be on LinkedIn. Keep that in mind because they are business owners and a lot of them have high net worth. So that's another great platform. But for today, we'll keep it simple and we'll do Facebook. So really easy. You just need to do roofing. Type in roofing, roofers, roof company. There's so much that you can type in, but let's just do roofing pros. And where I like to play in Facebook is the Facebook groups. A lot of people are very engaged in those groups. You can find a lot of targeted leads that way as well. So if I go to groups here and I simply select, so I'm in Toronto, Canada, so I'm going to get a lot of groups that are in my area. That's kind of the first thing. So Ontario here, that's the, maybe I am dealing with roofers in North America. So Canada's fair game. I can come in here. And now I know that all these roofers are in North America, they're in Ontario, right? And these are people that are looking for either posting jobs or looking to complete jobs. So either way, right, you're in the right area. And where you want to go, it's really cool. You don't even have to join the group. You can definitely join it. This is a public group. If it's private, you'll have to join it to see their members. But on a public group, we can go in. We don't even need to touch this group in terms of joining it or starting to post in it. And all we simply need to do is come into this section and you'll see an overlay. This is to supercharge everything that you're doing. I'm showing you how to do it manually here. But if you're ever curious, I'm the sales manager over here at FlowChat and we use our own tech. So I do this on a daily. Supercharge my team with 1,000+ leads per day that are qualified and automatically qualified for them. So it's really cool tech. If you're ever curious, go ahead, check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. Before you know, the best place to play in this group is members with things in common. Why is that? So this is step 2. Members with things in common is something the algorithm likes. So Facebook likes when you talk to people with things that you know in real life. How does it figure that out? Well, mutual friends is generally the way. So if you have mutual friends with somebody, you probably know them in real life, or you have some sort of connection with them. And that's exactly why Facebook likes when you add these people and actually lets you add more and shows up in the feed more as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for owners, CEOs, founders, decision makers. This is part of step 2 as well as this. How do we qualify these leads to make sure they're the right fit? And it's not somebody that's just the secretary at one of these companies or the admin assistant or maybe just a salesperson that has no say in their marketing, the leads they generate, so on and so forth. So we really want to talk to the decision makers here. And for me, right, with the titles CEO, owner, president, coach, I can automatically scroll with this button and it goes down this list for me with mom writing my life with no hands. But what you can do is simply do it manually, look for these titles. So once you see somebody that's, owner operator is a great title, you can then pop that open and we can now start viewing their profile, grabbing their information. If they have any information here, right? Looks like he owns a club as well. So maybe it's not a good fit based off that. And for me personally, I like to go and add people with 3+ mutual friends. That's kind of my barrier. So I would actually disqualify this lead based off of that. But that's fine. If we didn't want to disqualify it, if you can grab this, you can put it into a spreadsheet, right? And now you keep track of exactly who you're talking to, when you're talking to them. And if you have a message already that's working for you, perfect, send it out. If not, in step 3, I'll show you what to say. It's super simple. So yeah, let's just go back here, give you a quick example. Let's see if we can find somebody else. very good director, so not a good fit for me. Owner at Truth Roofing. So we don't have any mutual friends. Web construction. So even if I go back to the start here, there's one 22 mutual friends. Spoilers, AI might be a good fit. And so I open it up and do the same thing, but qualification. I won't go through it again, but just to give you an idea here, that might be a good fit. Goes into buy, right? So right, boom, disqualify. So you can do it manually with Artifact and our pipeline, which you're going to see right here quickly. This is my own pipeline that I use myself. We actually have an automation where it's going to run and qualify the lead with our audience. So we know exactly who we're looking for, and we set up those criteria one time, and then we just run it. And I could run 1,000 leads through this, and it would qualify all for me, and then move them through. And our automations will move them through the pipelines, add them automatically, talk to them, have a back and forth conversation sometimes, and then usually when somebody's interested in your CTA, that's when you jump in, or an appointment center jumps in, and from there books a call, schedules a webinar, or even closes a deal right in chat. So I hope that this helps. Now, step 3, message. What am I going to say? So just to show you, our message is really quite simple. We kind of do a 2-step approach. This works on Facebook, works on LinkedIn. First, you're going to go ahead and you're going to add the friend, and then you're going to go ahead and send the message. This message is, luckily with our tech, we have some templates, right? So here, if I type in initial, I want the initial message. I'll just grab one here really quick. We split test a lot of these different messages, right? So appreciate the content you're putting out there. I just copy pasted this from one of our templates. It automatically filled in his name. Funny enough, my name is Jacob. His name is Jacob. So we have that in comments. And I might put that on Friday, your name. So I added, even though it's a template, I added a little something, right? And we're going to say we'll be back. Okay, so we sent that. Now what do we want to do? In this case, this was a qualified lead for me. Right, it's not easy to buy, but if it was, I would then put him in the next stage, which is friend request sent. I would keep checking with our automations. So our automations will check if they accepted the friend request. If they have, we can run this every day. We can run this every hour through 100 leads if you want, and it'll move them over here once they've accepted. So if I go here, these people have now accepted, and I can send them my next message. All right. So he's a owner of a realtor brokerage, and now I can send him my next message or my next message. We like to do kind of those 2-step approaches, and then once you get that response back, you now have a conversation with a qualified lead. So get this under 9 minutes. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, go ahead, put them in the comments here, and we'll be making more of these videos for you. So keep an eye out. And if you have any questions about FlowChat, I am here to sell you it. I think it's an amazing tool. I've been using it for 2+ years. I am the sales manager, and I use it for my own team, plus our clients love it. So if you're ever interested, please don't hesitate to let me know, and I can give you a private demo for free. See you there.